Hey, what's up, guys? Major problem here. The old water pump, it has the hole on the bottom, so you know when it starts dripping. Okay? This is where the bottom hose connects. This top comes out and around like this. Get these hoses out the way. Comes out, comes up and around and connects into this tube. So I know this goes there. So I took it off. But guess what, guys? The manufacturer put the hole on the wrong side. I don't know where they get these parts, if they get them from China or wherever, man. But I mean, the hole always goes on the bottom. Plus, this could squirt up and hit you in the face. So I don't know. I don't know what to do, guys. I might, because everything lined up here with the power steering. Everything's lined up there perfect. Power steering is in. All I gotta do is connect the feed. This is the way it's supposed to go in. But they put the stupid hole on the bottom. And with this stuff here, they need to make something better. They need to come out with a new design. With a flat bottom screw or something, A flat bottom. Instead of having to take them out of the old one and put them in the new one, because guess what? I can't get that nut off. No matter what I do, I can't get it off. It's in too far as it is. It just won't lock. It just keeps spinning. I can't get it off, guys. So now I'm going to have to put the fan on with only 3 bolts. Let me get that down there. So that's another issue. I mean, these guys can't just, they can't design a part where something spins in here or gets in here through the bottom and you just bolt it up together. Why do I have to do all this extra work? This is nonsense. This is stupidity in the auto market. And to top that off, they don't even give you new bolts to put in here. You gotta use the old ones. What if they're stripped? What if they're broken? So I go to the store. I get the kit. I get these. There's about 30 different things. Not one fit the hole. Okay, this is not one fit the hole. So you're screwed. So now I gotta take the water pump I just installed back out, because they put the hole on the wrong side. It's a defect, and since it's a defect, I mean, once I put the that in, the thermostat in stuff, I'm able to drive it down there. They're gonna change it. They're gonna put the right one in.